is Stefan Pongratz. I'm one of the analysts here at the Dell'Oro group, focusing on mobile infrastructure. And today I want to spend a little bit of time talking about the radio access network, also known as the RAN market, and the expectations for next year. Now, historically, the RAN market is a relatively flat market. We've tracked it for some 20 plus years, and we estimate that the CAGR is around 1% between the year 2000 and 2020. That is in nominal US dollar terms. Now, of course, underneath that flattish top-line growth rate, there will be periods of ups and periods of downs, and we're actually now coming off one of those growth periods since the upswing, or since the momentum started improving in the second half of 2018, then fueled by the 5G acceleration. We've actually seen a couple of years of extraordinary growth, which propelled the RAN market to reach new record levels in 2021. We estimate that global RAN revenues, 2G through 5G, hardware, software, baseband radios, the manufacturing revenues surpassed $40 billion in 2021. Now, the challenge is that 5G comparisons, they are becoming more challenging, and the 5G infrastructure investments, the growth rates are slowing down. This is, we're not suggesting that the 5G growth cycle is over, and the message that we actually have communicated for some time, that the 5G cycle will be longer than the 4G cycle, that message still holds. But the days of exponential growth, they are now in the past, and we will see slower 5G RAN growth going forward. Now, the implications are that this growth, combined with LTE investments declining, is going to make it more chances for the broader RAN market to grow going forward. So we are entering a new phase now of slower growth. It's not just a forecast, this is already showing up. If you look at the 3Q22 report that we published, we estimate that the total RAN markets decline on a year-over-year basis now for a second consecutive quarter, and we actually have 4 consecutive quarters of flat or declining revenues in the broader RAN market. And we do anticipate that these trends will extend into next year. We recently adjusted our short-term outlook downward to reflect weaker than expected progress in parts of Asia and in Europe in US dollar terms. And we now forecasted that the global RAN market will decline in 2023. That's predicated on the assumption that surging investments in India will not be completely enough to offset more challenging trends in North America, China, and Europe. Of course, I realize that this is not the most exciting growth forecast here, but at the same time, I will say that there are a lot of reasons to be excited about 2023. If you look at underneath that top line and all the various RAN segments, what's happening there, we do expect that there will be growth when you look at, for example, with 5G, vRAN, Open RAN, fixed wireless access, and private wireless. So I encourage you to please go to our website, stay up to date on all the various blogs and everything else, so to stay up to date on all these different RAN segments. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy holidays.